Hello guys, welcome back to CAD Make. In today's video we are going to create a ring gear in SolidWorks, with the help of some of the essential commands and features to bring the sketch into 3D design life. We will also customize appearance to give our design a professional look. If you're ready, let's get started. Go to the File menu. Click New. Click on Part. Click OK. To increase the sketch resolution more better, go to the Options setting. Click Document Properties. Click on Image Quality, increase the resolutions like this. Click OK. Go to the sketch. Click on Sketch. Choose the front plane. Take the Circle command and draw a circle of 250 mm diameter here in the origin. Press Enter. Click OK. Now click on Offset Entities. Give the offset value as 28 mm. Choose this circle to make its offset. Select here Reverse. Click OK. Now go to the Features and take the Extruded Boss command. Give the extrusion value as 30 mm. Click OK. Go to the Visual Styles and disable the Shaded mode. Now click on this surface. Click Sketch. Zoom in. Take the Center Line command and draw a center line to upside like this. Click Exit. To convert this circular edge to a circle, select this edge and click on Convert Entities. Now go to the Line command and draw a rough sketch like this. Click Exit. Take the Smart Dimension command. Give the value to this line as 2 mm. Click OK. Give the distance from this point to this one as 3 mm. Click OK. Give the height to this line as 6 mm. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Now take the Mirror Entities command. Select this line and this one. Click here and choose this line as a reference of mirror. Click OK. Sketch is fully defined. Take the Trim Entities command and erase this circle from here like this. Click OK. Now go to the Features and click on Extruded Cut command. Zoom in. Select here Through All. Click OK. Zoom out like this. Rotate. Select Cut Extrude 1 and take the Circular Pattern command. Click here and select this edge as reference. Give the pattern number as 61 at 360 degrees with equal spacing. Click OK. Go to the background scene and select plain white. Again go to the Visual Styles. Enable the Shaded and Cartoon mode. Rotate like this. It looks perfect and amazing now. Go to the Appearance. Click Metal. Click on Magnesium and choose the burnished magnesium. It looks perfect with this appearance now. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comments. Thanks for watching.